It's like talking to a wall when you don't look at me. I wanna speak my mind and tell you how I feel, but it's like talking to a wall when you don't look at me. Please just look at me. I'm a ticking time bomb that goes off easily. You always know which buttons you should push, baby. I'm a ticking time bomb that goes off easily, but you're still here with me. We're drawn to each other. We try to break it off, but we return to each other. You're the best bad thing that has happened to me. Yeah, you're the best bad thing that has happened to me. The best bad thing that has happened to me. You're the best bad thing that has happened to me. You're the best, best, the best bad thing that has happened to me. Opposites attract, I guess they're right, 'cause we are just like night and day, and that is fine by me. 'Cause I wouldn't wanna change a single thing, baby. You're perfect to me, perfect to me. We're drawn to each other. We try to break it off, but return to each other. You're the best bad thing that has happened to me. You drive me so mad too easily. Yeah, you're the best bad thing that has happened to me. You drive me so mad too easily. Yeah, you're the best bad thing that has happened to me.
Hi guys. So I know my video, I didn't do an intro, but that is what it is. So for the rest of this video I will be doing laundry. I actually have another load that I have to pull out of the dryer, and I'm just gonna fold all of that together. My room, there's some stuff back there that needs to be thrown away. That needs cleaned up. But I kind of just wanted to talk to you guys real quick, because honestly, my videos have been like, they've been kind of late, not really giving energy at all. I haven't really been doing intros or outros, if you've noticed. I come in while I'm editing, and that's when I do them. But it was like just not motivated to really do any videos or anything. I'm trying to get my energy back. Like I said in my last video, I have had a lot of things going on in my personal life, so that kind of took a toll on how my videos were being made and my energy in my videos. And honestly, I'm just tired and I just want to sleep all day, so yeah. I'm trying. Bear with me. Hopefully we can get some more energy in. Exactly, I'm tired, excuse me. But hopefully we can get some more energy in. Hopefully maybe I could do some type of vlogs or something like that, maybe sometime this summer. We'll see how that goes. So yeah, let's get into folding this laundry.
Like a late night with someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run out on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lighting, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run out on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking hearts.
why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. 'Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you running circles in my mind right now. And it could fade away, but it probably won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll drown, but what can I do? And it would be alright to let me down. Rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it. Every time that we touch, the room caught on fire. We could blame it on the wine, but we know that we would both be lying. I wish I didn't want you. I was doing just fine, the way that it was. Then you hand me these emotions, didn't want them, but I guess that I'm stuck with them. They could go away, but I know they won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll try, but what can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you. Yeah, I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this.
But I'm gonna dive into you, and maybe I'll try. What can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you, dive into you. And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you.
Okay guys, so I am done cleaning up my room. I have to edit this video still. Yes, I still have to edit this whole entire video for it to come out tomorrow. Today is currently Friday. It is 11 o'clock at night, so I have to wrap this up. My room's not the best. It definitely still needs vacuumed and stuff like that. My dresser could be cleaned off a little bit better, but that's not happening tonight. And I have a whole bunch of trash that needs to travel downstairs and some dishes and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna close out this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you got some cleaning motivation out of this as well. And if I don't say it enough, I'm so happy you guys click on my videos, watch them, like them, everything. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this one as well. And I shall see you in the next one. Peace.